Hunger on a massive scale is looming across East Africa. If we don't act now, it'll get much worse. Drought and conflict have left 16 million people on the brink of starvation and in urgent need of food, water and medical treatment. People are already dying as a result of the famine in South Sudan. In Kenya, the government has declared a national emergency, and Ethiopia and Somalia are battling a new wave of drought. Women, children and older people are suffering the most. More than 800,000 children under 5 are severely malnourished. Without immediate treatment, they are at risk of starving to death. Urgent humanitarian support is needed to help save lives and prevent further catastrophe. The Disasters Emergency Committee in Wales is collecting money to help member charities deliver life-saving assistance in all affected countries. Just £25 could provide a month's supply of life-saving food for a malnourished child. If you can donate, please visit dec.org.uk or dial 0370 6060 610, or to donate £5, please text ASSIST to 70000.